Hey friends, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most timeless and influential self-help books of all time, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. If you're ready to up your people skills game and learn some valuable insights, then stick around. All right, let's jump right in with the key points from this classic book. 1. The power of a smile. First up, Carnegie emphasizes the power of a smile. It seems simple, but a genuine smile can work wonders in building rapport and making others feel valued. He tells us a story about a waitress at a restaurant who made a habit of genuinely smiling at her customers. Even on hectic days, she remembered to smile warmly. The result? She received larger tips, and customers kept coming back just to be greeted by her cheerful demeanor. 2. The importance of remembering names. Next, Carnegie stresses the importance of remembering names. He shares a personal experience where he met a man at a party who made a profound impact by remembering the names of everyone in the room. This simple gesture made each person feel important and respected. Remembering names, Carnegie argues, shows others that you value them as individuals. 3. Listening, the art of understanding. Carnegie believes that listening attentively and sincerely is key to winning friends. He shares an example of a CEO who made it a point to listen to his employees' ideas during meetings. This not only boosted morale, but also led to innovative solutions that propelled the company forward. 4. Avoiding criticism and showing genuine interest. Another crucial point Carnegie makes is the need to avoid criticizing others, and instead showing genuine interest in their perspectives. He recounts a story of a man who transformed his relationships by replacing criticism with understanding. By genuinely listening to others' viewpoints and refraining from judgment, he built stronger connections and influenced people positively. 5. The power of appreciation. Last but certainly not least, Carnegie emphasizes the power of appreciation. He shares a story about a manager who saw remarkable improvements in his team's performance simply by expressing genuine appreciation for their efforts. People thrive on recognition, and Carnegie argues that acknowledging others' contributions fosters a positive environment of motivation and loyalty. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more book summaries and insightful content. Thanks for watching, and remember, go out there and make some friends.